Imagine transforming your hair from flat and lifeless to silky, voluminous waves in minutes, without sacrificing health or shine. What if a single styling tool could make that effortless, every time? Hello, and welcome to Buy with Confidence, where we review products with calm expertise, clarity, and an honest perspective so you can make informed decisions without the noise. Today, we're exploring the Ionic Long Barrel Styler, a curling iron designed to create long-lasting, soft curls and waves while preserving your hair's moisture and natural shine. If you've ever struggled with styling long or thick hair, or found your curls losing shape quickly, this review is highly relevant. You'll find the purchase link conveniently in the description and pinned comment. The Ionic Long Barrel Styler combines NanoIonic MX technology with moisturizing heat, ensuring that your hair not only looks great, but stays healthy, hydrated, and vibrant. Its 1.25-inch barrel is extended for effortless styling of longer hair or hard-to-reach sections, and variable heat settings up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit give you control tailored to your hair type. It's not just a curling iron. It's an advanced hair care tool engineered for results, longevity, and comfort. Trusted by thousands of five-star reviewers, this is a styling solution that stands out in its category. Reason number 1. Advanced Moisture Heat Technology. The Ionic Long Barrel Styler isn't just about curls, it's about healthy, hydrated hair. Its moisture heat technology seals in natural moisture while styling, reducing frizz and preventing heat damage. Over weeks of use, hair feels softer, smoother, and far more resilient. Unlike standard curling irons that can dry out or dull hair, this system nurtures your strands as you style, giving you curls that look alive and vibrant, not dry or brittle. Reason number 2. NanoIonic MX technology for deep hydration. NanoIonic MX is an innovation designed to penetrate the hair shaft by micronizing water molecules. The result is deep hydration and shine that lasts all day. It helps lock in the natural oils and moisture your hair needs, reducing breakage and keeping strands silky. For anyone with color-treated, dry, or brittle hair, this technology ensures that your styling routine enhances hair health rather than compromising it. Reason number 3. Extended 1.25-inch barrel for versatility. This curling iron's longer barrel makes creating soft, flowing waves and large curls easier than traditional irons. Whether styling long hair, thick hair, or the hard-to-reach back sections on shorter hair, the extended barrel provides superior coverage in a single pass. The size and design allow you to achieve professional, salon-quality results from the comfort of home without multiple passes or unnecessary heat exposure. Reason number 4. Adjustable heat for every hair type. With variable temperature control up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, the Ionic Long Barrel Styler accommodates fine, medium, or coarse hair. You can select precise heat levels to achieve your desired curl without risking damage. The ceramic mineral complex ensures even heat distribution across the barrel, eliminating hot spots that can burn or scorch hair. This makes the tool safe, consistent, and reliable, whether you're styling daily or preparing for a special event. Reason number 5. User-centric design for comfort and safety. From a cool touch grip to a swivel cord, this styler is thoughtfully designed for ease of use. Even during extended styling sessions, your hands remain comfortable and maneuvering around difficult angles becomes effortless. The 1-hour auto shutoff adds peace of mind, particularly for those busy mornings or late-night styling sessions. It's a tool designed for daily use without compromising safety, comfort, or convenience. Reason number 6. Lightweight yet powerful for salon-quality results. Despite its extended barrel, the Ionic Long Barrel Styler is lightweight, allowing precise control without fatigue. Combined with far-infrared heat, it delivers smooth, long-lasting curls and waves with minimal passes. You achieve salon-quality results at home, with curls that retain bounce and structure throughout the day. It's ideal for professionals, enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a premium at-home styling experience. Reason number 7. Long-term hair health and value. Investing in this tool goes beyond just styling. By pairing advanced hydration, protective heat, and precise control, the styler supports hair health over time, reducing split ends and maintaining shine. Its durable, award-winning design ensures years of reliable use, making it a cost-effective, premium solution. Trusted by thousands of five-star reviewers, it combines results, longevity, and innovation in one tool. Final verdict: the Ionic Long Barrel Styler is more than a curling iron. It's an advanced hair care system that delivers long-lasting, healthy, and vibrant curls. While it's premium in price, the combination of NanoIonic MX technology, extended barrel, adjustable heat, and moisture retention makes it worthwhile for anyone serious about styling and hair health. This product excels for those with long, medium, or color-treated hair who want salon-quality results without frequent heat damage. Its versatility, safety features, and superior design make it a standout choice. If you value your hair, crave effortless curls, and want a tool that performs reliably, the Ionic Long Barrel Styler is a calm, confident, and smart addition to your beauty routine. Take your styling to the next level with confidence.